Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic is design verification. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first Executive Series video that you've seen, please go back and watch the introduction. You can check out the video description for links to any supporting information and a summary of the material that we'll cover today. In my Executive Series, we have a standard agenda which consists of 4 topics. You can see those 4 topics in the progress bar below. Make sure you stick around to the end to get those 3 bonus questions. Our requirement today, design verification, comes directly from 820.30F in ISO 1345 section 7.3.6. Design verification in 5 words. Testing shows outputs meet inputs. You have to have a procedure that manages how design verification activities are done. That procedure should define how you show that outputs meet inputs. If your device connects with other devices, your procedure would need to require you to actually verify that throughout the verification, so to test that. And then finally, you have to have records of your design verification activities. The design verification records have to include the design that's being evaluated, the date, the people involved, the people doing the actual verification, the acceptance criteria, any statistical techniques used, and the results. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, you have a pre-approved protocol that contains all the activities to be done during verification and your acceptance criteria. Second, if you have any deviations during the verification, that those deviations are documented, investigated, and dispositioned as part of the verification activities themselves. And then finally, you write a summary report which captures the results of your verification activities. So how do I know it's not working? Well, first, you don't have pre-approved acceptance criteria. Your protocol is either not approved or your protocol is approved after your report is approved. Second, you have deviations that are ignored or not acted upon. Then finally, design verification failures lead to changing your acceptance criteria to match the result of your actual verification activities without following change management and without a solid rationale to support that change. Now for the 3 bonus questions. First, how do we ensure or how do we trace all design outputs back to design inputs? Second, you should always ask this question as part of any review of design verification. Were there any deviations? Third, if there were deviations, what is the risk of that deviation? What's its impact on the validity of the validation itself or the verification? And how was the deviation dispositioned? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.